Ever wanted quick access to useful information right from your lock screen? In this video, you'll learn how to add lock screen widgets on your Android phone using the latest 2026 method. This simple trick works on most Android devices, including Samsung and many phones used in the USA and other regions. First of all, go to your home screen and long press on an empty space. This will open the customization menu. From the options that appear, tap on Wallpaper or Wallpaper and Style depending on your device model. Next, select the option that takes you to your current lock screen wallpaper settings. Once you enter the lock screen editing mode, look for the Add Widgets button or the plus icon. This is usually located directly under the clock or sometimes in the top left corner of the screen. Now you will see a list of available widgets. These may include weather, battery status, calendar events, digital clock, and more. Simply tap on the widgets you want to add. After selecting, you can drag to rearrange them or adjust their size if your phone allows customization. Make sure everything looks clean and organized on your lock screen. Finally, tap on Done or Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. And just like that, your lock screen is now more useful and personalized. If this guide helped you, stay connected for more simple Android tricks and updates.